Here we have this Anima Prestige that was came back to us, and that was because the grinder was just spinning around and it was not grinding any beans or anything in there. It was just spinning the beans and it was not dispensing anything into there. When we disassemble the entire machine the way we have it right here, and this is not fully assembled, we still need to remove a bunch of stuff in order for us to fully disassemble it. These things to go, these things to go, these things to go, tank, all these needs to go. You need to lift the entire thing up, and then you have a bunch of wires that you need to disconnect in order to work inside the machine. But we have it like halfway put together in order for us to test it out. We've been testing this machine already for a while, and like I said, this machine came back for us because the grinder was just peeling the beans and it was not doing anything. And for that, we just have to get in here and deep clean the entire grinder. We disassembled the entire thing, deep clean every single thing, and remove all the ground coffee that was actually getting backed up in here. Let me see if we can get it right here in this chamber that you see right there. A lot of coffee grounds were just getting backed up all the way here, and that was the reason it wasn't grinding. There was so much coffee grounds inside the birds that nothing was just making its way through. So that's why the beans were spinning and no, they were not grinding at all. But all that coffee was just getting backed up right here, right there. So we're gonna be testing the machine out. We're gonna be doing a shot of espresso. Working the way we are supposed to. All that coffee going into the brew unit that is right here, which is going to actually push the motor is gonna rotate that brew unit, send it all the way to here, and then it's going to extract coffee going from the pushing water from the water tank through the pump, through the thermoblock, going around here to that two-way, so nobody will see right there, and going into the brew unit. There goes the brew unit. It will infuse the coffee and then we'll go through this system and the spout. So you see right here. As you can see, nice steady shot coming out of the machine. Good cream as well, working the way it's supposed to. Now we're gonna be doing it again, just to show you. Once more, the grinding. Just like that. And we have a look at that. So yeah, that's what we're doing on this machine. We just disassemble the grinder and deep clean everything in there. So thank you so much for repairing organic coffee. Subscribe to our channel for more videos every day. And thanks for watching.